We have completely revamped our mobile app for version 9. Our brand new application is user-friendly, easy to use, and functions virtually the same way as our desktop website. What we are viewing now is a Google Chrome emulator. This simulates how the app is displayed on a phone turned on its side. To ensure you are on the mobile app and not on the desktop version, please check your URL. The URL for the mobile app is m.workschedule.app. The M stands for mobile. To maximize for space on the mobile version, we have modified our display. On the home screen, you can either view the schedule or submit feedback. Click on the 3 lines on the top left corner to view the application menu. This displays the same menu options as the desktop version. To edit or post the schedule, click Schedule. This will take you to a new screen where you can either manage schedule, manage templates, or view the employee-based page, My Schedule. Click Manage Schedule. Manage Schedule will look a bit different from the desktop version. Starting on the top, you can click on the dates to open the calendar and jump to a preferred date. Gray headers on the schedule represent the sort that you have on the desktop version. Beneath each header are the corresponding time blocks. In this example, these time blocks are open, while the time blocks underneath Bob's header belong to Bob. To add a time block, click the plus sign on the bottom right corner and enter the time block properties. To edit a time block, simply click on the time block. To edit multiple time blocks, hold your finger down until the pencil icon shakes. This will indicate that the app is ready for you to select multiple time blocks. Click on the time blocks and begin editing. After making changes to the schedule, click on the gear icon on the top right corner. This will open up a new application menu where you can edit the view, change sort, or apply filters. On this menu, you can also export, initialize templates into the Manage Schedule page, and post the schedule. Just like our desktop version, our new mobile app will limit access to users based on the role of each user. Each user will only have access to the areas you have permitted in the role's permission settings. At this time, while we are still applying for the App Store, we recommend downloading a home screen shortcut. To download the app on your phone, please go to workschedule.net, then select Mobile App. On this screen, select Access the workschedule.net version 9 mobile app. Here, you will have the option to follow the instructions for either Android or iPhone download. Once you've made your selection, you can follow this easy step-by-step guide to download our app.